Hello and welcome back guys to a basic Flutter material widgets course for beginners level. In this course we will be designing an app using material design widget.
This tutorial is the last tutorial of material design.
First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
So let's create a logout.dart file, create a stateful widget with the class name logout, and replace the container with scaffold, body, column, children. Let's copy the route navigator for our logout screen and paste into our logout in onTap method and import the logout screen here to the route. Let's copy this container with the circle avatar and its related properties and paste into our children logout screen. Let's add a button after our circle avatar. For this, we have to move to our main screen and search for the text button, which is read more. We already have. Copy the button and paste after our circle avatar and change the text to login. Let's give main axis alignment .center to our main column. To vertical center align the whole layout. Let's wrap our column with the center widget as well by clicking on the yellow bulb. And wrap the container with another column and wrap the column with another container. Now let's start working on the decoration. Box decoration, let's copy the decoration properties we already have and paste into it. The decoration is not yet visible. Let's add a shadow to it to make it visible by adding box shadow, blur radius 5, spread radius 7, offset 0, 0, and add a const here, colors.gray. Our button is not wrapped with our decorated container. Let's move our button inside the container by copy and paste. Change 50 to 20 and add a color for our container, colors.white. And change radius again to 10. Let's wrap this column with padding.all to 20.0. Let's add a little light color here, maybe this, and change the blur radius to 9 and spread radius should be 2. Let's copy and paste the navigator route to our login button and import our main screen here, which is Flutter beginners, and save. If we click, this will move to our main screen. Let's add the username and its address here by copying these from our profile screen and paste it here. Add const to all of them and add a size box before our text button to have some spacing and save. Our material design is finished here guys. Supporting me is like appreciating me. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Our tutorial ends up here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.